Okay, let's talk about a minimum window substring. So you are given two strings s and t of length m and n respectively. Return a minimum window substring of s such that every character in t is included in the windows. If there is no substring, return an empty string. So what I would do is I have a left pointer and right pointer, which both start at the position 0, and I'm keep moving right on my right pointer until all of the character in string t that is inside the string s. And once I hit a point, then I can squeeze the window, so which is moving on my left pointer. I can keep increasing. Don't forget, left pointer start at position 0 as well. So if I add here, so which is my right, so my right pointer will be around here, right? Because it's contain A, B, and C. Then I will squeeze my squeeze my window, so moving my left pointer to the right until if there's one character from T is missing. So I do have a hash map. Hash map is character integer, and I have a left pointer and right pointer and answer from and answer end, because if I squeeze the window, then I can actually recall where's the answer between this substring, right? But I could also find another substring which is shorter than this, right? So I have to record it. Then I need to put every character into the hash map, and we need to just remember, like we need to memorize how many characters is actually in the T, which are unique. So A, B, and C are both unique. If there's a duplicate number, we don't care about it, because we want to know if there's at least one character which is missing, then we have to keep moving. If not, then we just we don't move, right? So we should do we should start doing moving my right pointer, and this is the constraint. So my right pointer is moving to the right to the point at string.length, right? So I need to keep moving right, and also my t size is greater than 0. Why? Because in this case, at some point, I'm going to say t size minus until t size is actually hit 0. Then we break out the value. Then we move in. Then we move that pointer to right. In this case, we move right pointer to right. All right, straightforward. Then we know what's the character for this, which is right pointer, right? So if my map contains T, if I find there's a character inside the map at this position C, I need to decrement the counts, right? So map.put C, map.get C minus 1. So if there's a duplicate, right, then I'll keep decrement. And when I get to 0, map.get as C equal to 0, then my T size minus, right? This is why I say at some point I will T size minus, right? And at the end, since I'm moving right, I need to move my right pointer to the right. So this will be the right pointer on the sliding window format. And for the left pointer, so the idea is exactly the same thing. So left less than s.length, and when I move, I don't want any character shown up in the string. So it does have to contain 0. T size equal to 0. So before that, we need to check if my answer n minus answer from is actually greater than right minus left. So what this actually mean is we initialize our length of the answer is from 0 to infinity. Then if there's an answer found in the moving right pointer, then we can actually store it. So move from is actually from left, move n is actually the right pointer. So this is the idea. And then we can know what is the current character at the left pointer. Then I will say if my map contains t, exactly the same thing for the on the right moving right pointer. So I'm going to say if I find it, I need to increment, right? So increment plus. So if I find it, right, I need to plus 1. Then I will break out a loop, right? But before I break out a loop, I need to see if my method get c equal to 1 t size plus plus. This is actually avoid duplicate number. So this is how you actually, this is how you deal with duplicate number. Sorry. Then if I find it, then I do this. If I didn't find it, I move my left pointer plus plus. So when I return, right, I just have to know if my answer is still integer.max value, right? If I still is integer.max value, I just return empty string. So if there is no such substring, return empty string. So if there's an answer, I can just return the answer from to the answer end. So let's just run it and see if I have error or not. Okay, I do have error. So which is meta contain meta get. Yes. So this should be put. Okay. So I need to increment my count on my character, right? I made a mistake over here. All right, let's submit it. All right, I passed the test. So let's talk about time and space complexity. So what is the time complexity? You can actually move your right pointer like you can move your right pointer at the second last, and you keep moving on your left pointer, which is the length of the s, right? But also we need to know the t as well. So my scenario is you moving your right and you moving your left at the maximum length, which is n squared, right? So it will actually be n times n, right? That's the worst case. And for the space, is definitely like the maximum. I mean, if I store every character for the t, right, it's the maximum for the length of the t. So that will be the solution. And because others are constant, and we keep reusing the variable, right? So that will be a constant. And the hash map is the maximum length, which is length of the t. So all of m and all of n squared is time complexity, and m is the length of t. So that will be the solution. And good luck.